हाय गाइस। वेलकम टू स्टडी आईएएस। आशा करता हूँ आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का पहला यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स डेली एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग अबाउट द पर्शियन गल्फ कंट्रीज। द पर्शियन गल्फ आर शेयर्ड बाय द 8 कंट्रीज सच एज बहरीन, ईरान, इराक, कुवैत, ओमान, कतर, सऊदी अरेबिया एंड यूनाइटेड अरब अमीरात यूएई. Iran and Iraq are not member of the Gulf Cooperation Council GCC. So you have to tell which one of these statement is correct. One and two only, one only, two only, or none of the above. तो इसका आंसर होगा वन एंड टू बोथ आर करेक्ट. सी द lands around the Persian Gulf are shared by the 8 countries such as the Bahrain, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates UAE. So these all are correct and they are the members of the United Nations also. And United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, these are the member of the Gulf Cooperation Council. Okay, so basically this was recently in the news. As you can see, our former Vice President of India Hamid Ansari wrote in a column in the Hindu newspapers that in Persian Gulf littoral the cooperative security is a key. So that's why it is relevant today. Okay, now consider the following question about the Konark Sun Temple. It is UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Odisha. The government has launched a scheme for 100% solarization of the temple. Which one of these statement is correct? One only, two only, one and two both are correct, or a none of the above? So guys, both are correct. Konark temple was built by the king Narsimha Dev I from the Ganga dynasty. It was located in the eastern Odisha. You can see. साथ ही साथ ये यूनेस्को की वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट भी 1984 में डिक्लेयर कर दी गई थी. So recently it was the news because the government of India has launched a scheme for 100% solarization of the Konark temple and the Konark town in the Odisha. Okay. Now, balance of payments. The balance of current accounts includes balance of trade, balance of service, and the remittances. Select the correct one or correct answer. One only, two only, one and two both only, or none of the above. So both are correct. As you can see, this is the static part of the economy. A country's current account is one of the two component of its balance of payment. The current accounts consist of the balance of trade and the balance of services and the remittances. Okay. Now, consider the following about the Tibetan Buddhism. It combines the teaching of the Mahayana Buddhism and the ancient Tibetan religion called Bon. It is also present in India, Nepal, Bhutan, and the parts of Russia. So which one of the statement is correct? You have to tell one only, two only, all of the above, and none of the above. So both are correct. Tibetan Buddhism combines the teaching of Mahayana Buddhism and an ancient Tibetan religions called Bon also. And also it is situated or present in India like Sikkim or Nepal, Bhutan, and also in the part of Russia. So this was recently news. As you can see, US urges the China to release the Buddhism's 11th Panchen Lama. So that's why it is relevant. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.